And here we are back home at the BodyHoliday for a nice little kayaking trip. Go in and have lunch, have some nice tropical fruity drink, kick back, and there's the back of Jerry's head again. And she's our tour guide now, occasionally paddling to keep us straight.
We'll be receiving some wellness treatments.
Yep, and yeah, we'll be getting some wellness treatments here shortly.
Fresh vegetable juice.
Some nice vegetable juice, smoothie. Very helpful. Wonderful. And we'll likely head out eventually on that boat that you see right there and do a little wakeboarding. Looks like some people are getting ready to do some tubing. And those Hobie cats one of them have my name on it, mine and Jerry's name on it, because that's something that I've wanted to do for 20 plus years. So I think I'm going to finally get to do it. Here we are again. I'll give you one more pan before I sign off here. The BodyHoliday Les Sport on the northern end of St. Lucia in the southern Caribbean, West Indies. What a wonderful place to vacation and rejuvenate, relax, and have some adventures if you're so inclined also. All right, we're almost there, so before I fall in from one of these waves, I think I'll sign out.